Alrighty guys, welcome back to the channel. Got Wreckfest, more career mode. And let's move on to the pros. First one, Pro Internationals. V8 Thunder, 4 race events. Let's go. Okay. Okay. We're gonna do it with the bus? Alright. Alright, let's jump into it. Ooh, 4 race event. Means it's any event. Okay. Demolition, here we come. Okay, just reset. I'm stuck. Oh my gosh. Buses all over the place. Oh, this is gonna be harder than it looks. Bus on its side, I'm going for it. Oh, swing around, sir. Flip that guy. New rival, Crashman. Okay, okay, you wanna do me like that, buddy? Oh, yo, what a hit from the other dude, too. Oh. Now, is this one where I have to survive? It is. 13 people left. Okay. Oh, that's one guy that's already dead. Nice. He kind of just fixed himself right in the, as I'm going through him. You did it to yourself, buddy. Oh, what's this guy doing? He took himself out. Hold on, let's try backing it up into something. Okay, nope, I suck at driving backwards. You're dead. Come on. Man, they're both really weak. 4 opponents left. I'm doing good. I got 62 health. Got him. T-Bone. That guy's got a lot of health. I need to focus on him. Swing it around. I missed. Oh, this is not good. Okay. Excuse me, pardon me. Don't mind me. I've wrecked 1. That's great. Just 1. Bam, slam. Okay, wrecked myself. Come here, Angry Hornet. We're gonna take you out. You're the next victim. It's inevitable. Boom! Alright, who's the next one? Ow, okay, okay, I see you. Yeah, that's right. Flip yourself over. Okay, he's got 9 health left. I'm sure this hit right here should just do it. Yup. First place. Let's go. 5,600 on the XP, yo. That's nice. Level 18. Final position. First place. We got 200 out of 200. Okay, now what did I just do? Oh, I did this. I thought I was on the V8 Thunder. Okay, let's do something short. This is only, looks like 1. Let's do this one. This could be chaos. Okay, we're here in Big Valley Speedway. I got a buggy on top of my car, so does everybody else. This could end in disaster, but we gonna get through it. Yo, hold on now, brake for the turn. Everybody's hitting the wall back there. Yo, get out of my way. Let's go. I'll just take over first. Hold on. Steer it out, though, real quick. Ow. Ow. We're good. Now, see, the one thing... This is 6 laps, too. The one thing about this track is, once we make this turn, it's going to send us right into the path of all of the rest of the pack. Look at them. Stay low. There might be one guy coming from the back of the pack. Nope. Okay, we're good. All we gotta do is just bring this home. We're already 13 seconds up on 2nd place. Yeah, look at you guys. I'm gonna make it spicy. New rival, Mad Monster. Yo, can you flip me over? You're not gonna flip me over. Okay, I'm gonna flip myself. Thanks. Took me down to 79 health. Alright, let's just go ahead and finish this one out. Okay, we're here on lap 3. Look at them all. Meow, meow, meow. No, wait! Come on now. We stuck? Okay, cool. Alright, little hiccup. Oh, you're dead. Hi, guys. Okay, there's only 2 people out so far. Hey, I hit my rival. Yay, thank you, sir. Get out my way. Oh, crap. Okay, thanks. Thanks for that. Wait, we're down to 41 health. I gotta like focus up for a second. Lap 4. It's a long race. I think the pack is catching me a little bit. Wait, hold up now. Alright, we're in the clearing. One more guy coming up. Now it looks like I gained time on him. Okay. We're good. One more. Yo, he wants to go for the kill. Yo, that took me down to 16 health. Hold on now. And then, oh, I almost hit that guy too. Yo, and you, look at you guys. I'm about to lap y'all. My poor car, yo, holy crap. Oh, this wasn't good. This was not good. I didn't want to come up to the top. Oh, you're gonna get hit, buddy. Yeah. Look at all these dead cars. Y'all got some explaining to do. Like, what happened? Nothing to see here. It's like a durability chest. Will I make it to the finish line? 16 health. Let me stop messing around. Okay. Peace out. What are you doing? Are you dead? That was close. We got this. We're good. Last lap. Whew. What are y'all doing back there? Hold on now. Track's not back there. Yeah, they stuck. Cruising along. Oh my goodness, no. 7 health. Oh my goodness. Things have taken a turn for the worse, yo. They were crashing in front of me. I didn't know where to go. Okay. All we gotta do is make it to the checkers. 7 health left. I'm creeping up the track. I don't want to creep up the track. Let me back down. And come on, where's the checkers? Finish line. Success. Let's go. Barely made it. 6,300 XP. I'll take it. And I get that vehicle. Let's go. Alrighty, guys. I'm going to end it here. 100 out of 100 points. Bonus targets. 2 out of 2. Yeah, I'm going to end it here on a good episode. Next time, we'll come back and do the V8 Thunder. But like and subscribe for more. Hope you guys have a great day. See you in the next one. Peace.